I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. There is no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you. What you're supposed to do when you don't like a thing is change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Don't complain. When someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. Courage is the most important of all the virtues because without courage, you can't practice any other virtue consistently. I can be changed by what happens to me, but I refuse to be reduced by it. I don't trust people who don't love themselves and tell me, I love you. I did then what I knew how to do. Now that I know better, I do better. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. You can only become truly accomplished at something you love. You alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anybody. The desire to reach for the stars is ambitious. The desire to reach hearts is wise. If I am not good to myself, how can I expect anyone else to be good to me? Everything in the universe has a rhythm. Everything dances. Bitterness is like cancer. It eats upon the host. But anger is like fire. It burns it all clean. I don't trust anyone who doesn't laugh. Hoping for the best, prepared for the worst, and unsurprised by anything in between. There's a world of difference between truth and facts. Facts can obscure truth. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope. Nothing can dim the light which shines from within. Hate, it has caused a lot of problems in the world, but has not solved one yet. Life is pure adventure, and the sooner we realize that, the quicker we will be able to treat life as art. A friend may be waiting behind a stranger's face. I've learned that even when I have pains, I don't have to be one. I've learned that regardless of your relationship with your parents, you'll miss them when they're gone from your life. We need much less than we think we need. When we give cheerfully and accept gratefully, everyone is blessed. Surviving is important. Thriving is elegant. Be present in all things and thankful for all things. Ask for what you want and be prepared to get it.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments and continue enriching your mind.